Hi people, again Roy Binder Gallupi here for the technician's corner or technical corner. I have this Roland U110 sound module which was given to me. I just have dismantled the upper cover, and now there's a couple of problems. The switch is very wobbly, it doesn't work well, and I have seen there is a problem. It has to be glued. I don't know if it is, it's not very clear. So yeah, look, that it moves. It goes to the main switch. Okay, it works, but it does not stay properly. Okay. Let's make another test. It doesn't stay. Okay, switched off. I switch on again. Check battery. Yeah, battery will be checked and replaced, which is this battery here, I would say. Let's say what is this for a battery, but okay. Then next time we make a sound test of this. Bye bye for now. So battery replaced. Okay, seems okay. Seems to work, and now it's a new CR2032 battery. Now let's go to this point which isn't working very well. It stays. Okay, this piece has to be glued here. The glue doesn't stay. I think they used let's see what kind of glue they use, but I think I would use any kind of glue. Let's try. So I glued it with this boss stick. Let's see if it holds after some hours of stay. Okay. Yes, now I glued this little frame. It's very hard to see. Okay, it's inside. Okay, I glued it. Very simple thing. And now it works properly. Okay, let's 110 is fixed. Let's make a try. Some sounds. Okay, let's make. This is interesting, the bell. Okay, a lot of sounds. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, etc., etc. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.